Heya! It's Mark! Today, I'm gonna show you one wonderful glasses. Okay, that's two. Fine, it's three. The glasses is super strong. I can do this. I can do this. And I can...
No, you can't.
Then it needs an upgrade.
I don't know.
The glasses has several styles. What I wear is gentleman. Also, they have half circled. And my favorite, full circled. Now I feel like Harry Potter. Get my stick, will ya? Mine is not that small. That's still small, but I'll take it. And you, why don't make some big orders? You may get your own big stick.